Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I think my previous lecture or previous chapters are clear to you. If you still have any doubt, then you can ask me. So today we will discuss next chapter. So welcome to my next lecture, grade 6, topic fiber to fabric. So first is these are the some examples of the fabrics. Okay, as you all know, we need clothes to cover our body and protect us from harsh weather condition. We have learned in the previous classes there are different clothes which are preferred in the different season or in the different occasion. So all the peoples in the different region wear different types of the cloth on different occasion. So next is the different type of the clothing materials. There are large varieties of the clothing such as cotton, wool, rayon, silk and the polyester. And you know there are different varieties of the cotton. We will find more than 100 variation in the cotton. The kind of fiber which used, the type of weaving done, the color, the print used give us a large variety in the clothing material. Now the history of the cloth. Human being started wearing cloth right from the Stone Age. In the starting, human being used to cover their body with the bark or big leaves of the tree, an animal skin or the fur. But with the development of agriculture, man learns to grow fiber crops such as cotton, linen and jute. As stitching was not known during early time, so ancient men used to wrap unstitched clothing around their body. But as the invention of sewing needle revolutionized the clothing history. Since then stitched clothes have undergone many changes. Today you can see stitched clothes come in many designs. Even with the advancement in the garment industries. So unstitched clothes such as a dhoti and sari are still worn in many parts of the country. In the figure, you can see the history of the clothing. In the first, leaves as clothing. Second, animal skin as clothing. And the third one is the unstitched garment as clothing. So in this you can see different people, or with the evolution of the time people wear different type of the clothing. After that, types of the fabric. With the globalization of the fashions and garment industry, there are a huge varieties of the clothes are available to people. The choice of the fabric is generally decided by different factors such as weather condition, occupation, occasion, age, gender, lifestyle and the culture. In the figure you can see different peoples wearing different type of the clothes. Then apart from the clothes, fabrics are also in making items such as bags, blankets, curtains, carpet and shoes. So bags can be made from jute, resin and other clothing material, and carpets are made from fabrics such as cotton, wool and nylon, and blankets are made from the wool that you know, and curtains are made from cotton, silk and synthetic fabric, है ना. There are different fabric which involve to make a different things. In the figure you can see things made from a different kind of the fabrics. Yeah. After that, fibers. What are fibers? Fibers are thin strands that are spun or twisted together to make yarn or thread. Yarn are woven together to make a fabric. So based on their origin, fibers are classified as natural or synthetic. Natural fiber, that fiber obtained from the plants and animals, are called natural fiber. Those natural fiber which are obtained from plants are called plant fiber. For example, cotton, jute, these are etc. Natural fiber that are obtained from animal are called animal fiber. For example, silk and wool. Wool mainly comes from the fleeces of the sheep and other hairy animal. And silk is obtained from the cocoon of the silkworm. Okay. After that, second, synthetic fiber. That fiber made by the human being using different chemical substance are called synthetic or artificial fiber. Nylon, polyester, acrylic, these are the few examples of synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber are cheaper, stronger, and last longer than the natural fiber. So clothes made of synthetic fiber are easy to maintain. And synthetic fiber are also used to make things such as carpets, ropes, and curtain. So these are the two type of the fiber. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So next we will discuss in the next lecture. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, be happy, and thank you.